Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of tailoring as we explore how to sew a perfect tailored overcoat. This project is a rewarding challenge, and with patience and these step-by-step instructions, you'll be well on your way to creating a timeless piece. First, gather your materials. You'll need high-quality fabric, preferably wool or a wool blend. A lining fabric, interfacing for structure, thread that matches your fabric, buttons, and all the essential sewing tools, like scissors, pins, measuring tape, and a sewing machine. Now, let's begin with the pattern. Choose a well-fitting overcoat pattern. Make sure the size aligns with your measurements. You can adjust the pattern for a custom fit. It is crucial for a tailored look. Place the pattern pieces on your fabric, following the grain line. Pin them securely and cut out all the pieces, including the main fabric, lining, and interfacing. Next, the interfacing. This step provides structure. Iron the interfacing onto the wrong side of the fabric pieces that require it, usually the collar, lapels, and front pieces. This step is critical for the coat's shape. Now, start sewing the main body of the coat. Begin by sewing the shoulder seams of the front and back pieces together. Then, sew the side seams, right sides together. Press all seams open to create a clean finish. Next, the sleeves. Sew the sleeve seams and attach the sleeves to the coat body. Match the notches and pin them carefully. Ease the sleeves if needed to fit the armhole smoothly. Press the seams. The collar is next. Construct the collar by sewing the upper and under collar pieces together, right sides facing. Turn the collar right side out and press it. Attach the finished collar to the neckline of the coat. Now, the lapels. Fold and press the lapels to shape them. You can use steam to help mold the fabric into the desired shape. Baste the lapels to the front of the coat. Now, it's time for the lining. Sew the lining pieces together in the same way as you sewed the coat. Attach the lining to the coat, right sides together, leaving an opening for turning. Turn the coat right side out through the opening, and then hand stitch the opening closed. Press the lining to finish. Next, buttonholes and buttons. Mark the buttonhole placements. Sew the buttonholes, either by hand or with a sewing machine. Sew the buttons onto the coat, ensuring they align with the buttonholes. Finally, the finishing touches. Give the overcoat a final press to remove any wrinkles and set the seams. Check all seams and details, and make any necessary adjustments. Trim any loose threads and admire your work. Congratulations! You have successfully sewn a tailored overcoat. This project requires time and precision, but the result is a beautifully crafted garment that will last for years. Thank you for watching, and happy sewing!